The count and see function, I want to tell you how many times the word banana appears in this list.
Hello, I am Gabriel Venturini, a Brazilian with a degree in administration and specializing in strategic management and business innovation. With over 10 years of experience in the Office suite, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Power BI, and VBA, we are producing videos in English. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a like. And also activate YouTube notifications so it understands that the content is relevant and delivers it to more and more people. In the detailed description of this video and also in the very first pinned comment, you can easily find our complete training sessions. Now, let's get started with the content.
So, let's write the function count and see to verify. So, here I have the module open. So let's put subcount if, gin, I put the list because it is a list of fruits, as range, gin and as int, which is the integer number, set list equal to range A1, open the function query to region to locate in that area of cell A1, down, it equals worksheet function dot count if list dot columns, because I want to check the columns, 1 because it is the first, and banana. I could put any other fruit. Now I will generate the macro. Let's see if it's right. List as range n as int. Set list equal to range A1. Question region. N. Worksheet function. Count if. List dot columns. Let's see why it is not showing. I forgot to put. Mesgbox equal to n. To return the value of n, now it will show 5, because 5 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now if I delete 1 here, and let's generate, it will show 4, because it only has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.